In this video, I'm testing a fast workflow for making image designs with ChatGPT. The goal is simple. Use one prompt, generate a batch of designs, and turn them into usable t-shirt artwork. I'll show you how I remove the background and prep them for upload. I start with a very simple prompt. Design 10 separate t-shirt designs for California cities for travelers. Minimal modern retro style on black background. No mockup. Make sure it's on thinking model and generate. That's basically it. The important parts are 10 designs, California cities, retro travel style, black background, and no mockup. Now ChatGPT will give me 10 different city designs. It's now thinking and generating the designs. It took 1 minute and 6 seconds. Here's the Los Angeles design. It's in retro style and has nice detailed and correct illustrations. The San Francisco design. San Diego. Santa Cruz. Palm Springs. Santa Barbara. Monterey. Sacramento. Napa. And Laguna Beach. These are all accurate and good enough to be used as t-shirt designs. They might need small edits, but the main ideas, layouts, and styles are already there. That's the advantage of doing 10 at once. You get a full batch of usable options fast, and you don't have to choose specific details like the cities. The AI does it for you. You can be more specific in your prompt about what you would like. Although they have decent resolutions, I run my designs through 𝗙će Photo Enhancer. I use the denoise model and increase the image by 400%. This gives me a cleaner and larger image before I start removing the background. It's not the final file, but it gives me a better starting point. Next, you can open it in Photoshop or an equivalent and remove the black background. Photoshop does an okay job, but this is where you can see the problem. It removes most of the black background, but not perfectly. I'll use the wand tool to remove the last of the black. Even after this, there are still little black marks and rough areas left inside the design. So Photoshop helps, but it's not good enough. Instead, I take the upscaled image and run it through Vectorizer to convert it into a vector. This is where I use vectorizer.ai. So far, this is the best vectorizer I've found. It's not free, which is kind of annoying, but the result is cleaner than all the other tools I've tried, paid or free. If you know a better one, especially a free one, let me know in the comments because I actually want to test it. After that, I bring the vector file into Illustrator. You can use a free equivalent. Now I can edit the design. To remove the black, I select one of the black areas and use Select Similar. This selects the matching black shapes across the design. I deselect the black areas I want to keep, like these inside the actual graphic. Then I delete the unwanted black background pieces. Now the design is clean and usable for print on a t-shirt. Now scale your artwork so it's ready for your desired template. And here's the final design with the removed background. So this is the AI design workflow that saves tons of time. For print on demand, speed matters because you need to test out ideas and move on. If you want the exact prompt I use, comment prompt in the comments and I'll send it to you.